Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Once all the packages are updated, install all the required dependencies using the following command. Next, you will need to install Node.js and npm to create a sails.js application. First, add the Node.js repository using the following command. Once the repository is added, install the Node.js package with the following command. After installation, you can verify Node.js version and npm version. Next, you will need to install sails.js on your server. You can install it using the next command. Once the sails is installed, you can verify it by running the next command. After installing Sails, let's create a simple Sails application using the following command. You should get the following output. You can verify all files created by Sails using the next command. Next, change the directory to your Sails app and start the application with the following command. You should see the following output. Next, you will need to create a system file to manage the Sails application. You can create it with the next command. Add the following clients. Safely close the file, then reload the system daemon to apply the changes. Next, start the sails.js service and enable it at start system reboot. Now you can check the status of the Sails application. Configuring Apache as a reverse proxy to access the Sails application is a good idea. First, install the Apache server with the following command. Once the Apache package is installed, create an Apache VirtualHost configuration file with the next command. Add the following clients. Save and close the file, then activate the Sails VirtualHost with the following command. Next, enable other page module with the next command. Next, restart the Apache service to apply the changes. Now you can verify the Apache server status. Lastly, open your web browser and access the Sails.js web application using your URL. You should see the Sails.js web UI on the following screen. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.